Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Ethereum update. In this video, as you might expect, we'll be talking about Ethereum. But we'll be talking about Ethereum mainly. We'll briefly cover the technicals. I'll do a quick update from yesterday, but we'll mainly talk about obviously the fundamentals. We've been pretty bearish ever since Sunday evening because of the whole new lawsuit with SEC and Paxos, or the BUSD, to make it a little bit more clear. That's been causing quite a lot of bearish momentum, as you can see, but we have that was expected either way, in my opinion. I mean, we technically were very bearish already as well. We had a lot of bearish confirmations, which we talked about in the past 2 days. So altogether, this is what I expected, to kind of drop down to that level between 1450 and 1475. That we did, and we actually found some support, so that's great. Found some support, even got some bullish confirmations by breaking above 1500 again, which is what we did in the last couple of hours, which is pretty nice. We'll probably stay above that. This candle closes in about 10 minutes. It has already closed when you watch this video, but yeah. So Ethereum, it's even though we were very bearish, right now we're pretty much neutral, and that's great. Also a little bit as expected. Because as most of you know, we'll be having the inflation rate later today. To be accurate, 5 hours, probably from uploading this video. But if you want to watch that yourself, go to myfxbook.com, or the link is in the Discord. Join the Discord. I have a new Signal group right now, which I think will be very profitable. But we'll see, and you'll see as well. If you want to check that out, that's also in the Discord. So go check that out. It's waiting for this. It's really waiting for this, and whether it's going to be higher than the consensus, so higher than expected, or lower than expected, it's not something I can predict. It's I can try to predict a lot of things, but this is something we just don't know. All right, so it's waiting for that. Until that time, I do expect us I expect us to be a little bit volatile ahead of the news, but I also think we'll stay on top of 1500 and kind of be in this area between, well, let's say ultimately 1480. And 1550, and from that level we will react to the inflation rate numbers, which are going to be very important, I think, at least. That's my belief. But I think right now in the current with the current momentum that we have and the current trend, I think these numbers will mean a lot. It's basically, will the economic circumstances keep improving, or has there been some sort of a change? After also the job number, the unemployment rate numbers 2 weeks ago, which were more bullish than expected. So now we kind of expect the inflation rate to be more bearish than expected for the markets in either case. So it's just going to be, is the inflation rate year on year, and is the CPI, is it going to be higher than expected or lower than expected? In the case that it's higher than expected, it's bad. We'll drop down to this level right here between 1430 and 1400, and probably even lower, but that's our first support, and I'll keep you updated on that afterwards. Or is the inflation rate lower than expected, which we would all want, in which case we'll be immediately trying to break above 1550, probably not succeeding at once, but eventually I do think we'll be able to do that, get back up to 1600, and again I will be back with updates to keep you updated on the whole situation of Ethereum. But for now, that's really what to expect. I mean, technically, as I said, I think we'll be pretty neutral, and then the outcome of the inflation rate will determine a lot of things. Right now, the dollar strength index has also fallen down quite a bit, which is a good thing. That's also why Ethereum was bullish right here. But this is just, you don't have to take a look at the dollar strength index anymore, because it's just going to move 100% opposite of Ethereum, depending on the outcome of the inflation rate. So that's my take on Ethereum for today. I'll be live as well during the inflation rate, so I hope to see you there. But for now, take care and bye.